Let's take a look at the real estate market conditions for July 2020 in Winnipeg, coming right up. Well, hello Winnipeg, it's 𝗀𝗀𝘀𝘀, RE/MAX Performance Realty, and it's July 2nd, 2020, and I take a look back at the sales and listings which happened over the last month, so all of June. And you're going to see that we are in a super hot seller's market right now. And for example, last year, for the month, we sold 786 houses in Winnipeg. This year, we sold 861. So that alone is 10% more sales, but you're going to see that the listings are actually way down, which makes it an even hotter market. Similar story with condos. Last year, in this time period, we sold 82 condos in Winnipeg. This year, 108. So that's about 20% more, or even 25% more. As for the market highlights for June, the most expensive house sold was $1.45 million in South Headingley. In fact, during the month, there was 4 houses sold for over $1 million. And as I mentioned earlier, the number of available houses is actually down quite a bit from last year. So let's take a look at available houses in Winnipeg. Last year, this time, we had 1,866, and today we got 1,232. That's a huge drop. That's about a 35% drop in listings available for the buyers to pick from. And breaking that down among the different price ranges for houses under $250,000, last year we had 486 available. This month, virtually the same as last month, 265 available in that price range. The mid-range of homes, $250,000 to $500,000. Last year we had 934. This month we have 584, way down. So, and it's just about 10 more than last month. Luxury homes, last year 446 available. This month 384. Again, a big drop over last year. Now the available listings are down, but sales are keeping up or actually better than last year in most of these categories. Under $250,000 homes last year in a time period of June, we sold 203. This year, 199, virtually the same. $250,000 to $500,000 homes. Last year, we sold 504 during June. This year, 570. And the luxury homes as well. Last year, we sold 79 in that time period. This year, 92. If you've been listening to my real estate reports over the past few years, you know I put those numbers, that is the sales and the listings together, and I come up with a quotient I call days of inventory. That is kind of giving a number to how hot the market is. So let's take a look at houses under $250,000. You can see that maximum would be about 120 days. In fact, an average market would be around 90 days or so. Last year, we were at 74. And this year, right now, this month, we're at 40 days. That is super, super hot seller's market. Houses for $250,000 to $500,000 are in a similar predicament. Maximum is 120 days. Average would be around 90 or so. Last year, 57. This year, 31. If you've got a house in the $250,000 to $350,000, $375,000 range and it shows half decent, it's going to be gone in a few days. Luxury homes over $500,000. You know, maximum would be about 400 days. We usually see markets around 220, 250 days. Last year, 175. This month, 125 days. For luxury homes, that is very, very hot. And the last thing I want to take a look at is the seller confidence. How many people are confident in selling their house and listing it right now? Last year, this time, we had 1,409 people list their home in this period. Last month, we were just shy of 1,100. And this month, we did creep up a little bit to 1,300. That's still 100 less than last year. It seems like the market right now is made up of a lot of buyers, but not a lot of listings to choose from.
Are you thinking of selling your Winnipeg house or condo? Work with the listing agent who goes beyond the MLS. 𝗀𝗀𝘀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance has a marketing plan that is second to none. Book your free marketing plan and evaluation today. Bo knows real estate.
I hope you've enjoyed this housing market report for July 2020 in Winnipeg. I do a separate condominium market report. Now, as hot as the housing market is, condos do offer a great opportunity for buyers who want to get into the housing market, want to own their own property, but don't want to deal with so many bidding wars. So if you're thinking of buying your first home, a condo might be an option for you. Check that report as well. And as you may know, I work with buyers and sellers, houses and condos in Winnipeg. So if you're looking to buy or sell either one, house or condo, give me a shout anytime. That's 𝗀𝗀𝘀, RE/MAX Performance Realty, 204-333-2202. I truly hope that you found this information helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and also hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified of any new information we post. If you like listening to audio podcasts, please check for Bo Knows Real Estate on all major podcast players. And if you're looking to buy or sell, house or a condo in Winnipeg, please call or text me anytime at 204-333-2202. This has been 𝗀𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance Realty. Till next time, bye-bye.